Hi, I am from PC Error Detective. In this video, I will show you how to add an app to startup in Windows 11, and I'll guide you step by step so your favorite applications open automatically when your PC starts. Step 1. Right-click on a blank area of your taskbar and select Task Manager. Task Manager is a built-in tool in Windows that helps you manage running programs, processes, and startup apps. This is the first step to control which apps launch when your computer starts. Step 2. In Task Manager, select the Startup tab on the left side. The Startup tab lists all the applications that can automatically run when Windows starts, making it easy to manage them in one place. Step 3. Find the application you want to start when your computer turns on. This allows you to choose specific apps that you use often, so they are ready as soon as your PC boots up. Step 4. Select the application. By selecting the app, you are preparing it to be enabled for startup, ensuring Windows knows which app to launch. Step 5. Click the Enable button to allow the app to run at startup. Enabling the app ensures it will automatically open the next time your computer starts, saving you time and effort. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.